The lowest grade is around 45 to 45.50 up to $63. And for the MS67, as I see in NGC, $3,000 for the high grade one. MS67 3,000. But it's also said in pristine uncirculated condition, it could fetch up to $7,500. Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stumps to Watch. So we are ready again to have another unboxing. So we'll see what this one is. I bought a few collectibles recently, and it's one of it. We'll see what it is. Okay, so okay, have personal information with this. So I'm not gonna show that one, and it's probably wrapped as usual. So I bought a few things recently, and one of it is first time I'll be getting. I mean, first time I afforded this thing. I think here we go. This very well wrapped. All right. Oh, yep. Here we go. A nice one. A very nice one. Really so. And like I said, I think this is the first one. This is my first coin of this caliber, I guess. Because it's a silver one, it's a big silver coin, as you can see. So here we go. It's a Morgan dollar. It says it's almost uncirculated with a grade of KM 110. Very nice. Like I said, this is my first Morgan dollar, my first US Morgan dollar coin. This is from 1898. So what can we say about this one? Well, first, this coin was I bought it from ACW, which is a licensed collectible company in New Zealand and in Australia. And this is the Morgan dollar. It's almost uncirculated. Looks nice, very nice. And it is of course below the asking price. It was offered because nobody bought it. I just put it on my watch list, and there are 7 of us who's watching this coin. And I was lucky when it was offered. I'm the first one who responded, and I got it. Very nice. It's attributed. It's called the Morgan dollars because it is attributed to George T. Morgan. It's a designer. So as you can see, it's very nice design. Mind you, I should be wearing gloves, but yeah. So it is from the U.S. and this specific Morgan dollar is from 1878 or 1898, sorry. And I mean, these Morgan dollars are minted from 1878 up to 1921. And after the Morgan dollar, they changed it to the peace dollar. And this is composed of silver, and the weight is 26.73 grams. It's almost an ounce. Wow, a little bit, almost maybe. Well, I wish it's an ounce already, but yeah. And the diameter is 38.1 with a thickness of 2.40 millimeters. As you can see, the edge is riveted, And we can see on the over side the Lady Liberty facing the left. And we can see up above the motto E pluribus unum. And below is the date 1898. And E pluribus unum, well, it means out of many, one. So it is a motto. It's a very old motto, okay? And the reverse side, we can see the eagle holding arrows and an olive branch within the wreath. And we can see the country name, United States of America, up above and below the value $1. And yeah, it's like I said, it was engraved by George Thomas Morgan. That's why it was called the Morgan dollar. And this specific coin, it's from the Philadelphia Mint. As you can see, there's no mint marks on it. No mint mark. And then these coins were minted from the U.S. Mint in Carlson City. And the mint mark for that one is CC. Denver Mint, which is letter D, and O for the New Orleans Mint, and S for the San Francisco. They minted around 5,884,000 of this coin. And according to NGC, the lowest grade is around 45.50 up to $63. And for the MS67, as I see in NGC, $3,000 for the high grade one. MS67, 3,000. But it's also said in pristine condition, uncirculated condition, it could fetch up to $7,500. So it have a very good value for an old Morgan dollar coin. And considering it's an icon, another iconic coin from the United States of America, silver coin. And with the price of silver is going up now. So if you're keen on saving some silver, the value is going up. So okay, so please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.